I hope you are ready to learn, so let's start our lesson. Today our topic is called Family is a Treasure. Let's talk about family. What is family? Family plays a very important role in everybody's life. From the age of childhood, our family protects us, guides us, and they take care of us. Families shape the life of children from the early ages. From the first day, they support care and love for us, they protect us from the dangers of life, and they prepare us to the life. What comes to your mind when we say family? Family is a school. The first school for all children are their families. Family is a treasure. You know what treasure means? Treasure is lots of jewels, golds, diamonds. So family is more precious than those things. So it is a really treasure. If you have a good family, you own a treasure. Family is a tree. Yes, from the root it starts to grow and it is becoming larger and larger like a tree, and it gives fruit. Children are the fruits of the families. Family is life. Yes, it makes our life valuable. If we have a good family around us, we feel ourselves living a better life. So without family, people would feel unhappy and lonely. There is a question mark. Do you know why I put it there? It is for you to think about more things. Okay? Look at these examples and think about more things that come to your mind when we hear or see the word family. Now let's move on and learn some words that will help us to make conversations, to make speech about families. One word I would like you to learn is close-knit. Close-knit is a term used to describe some families. It means that closely connected or linked. So like in this picture, these family members are closely knit to each other. They are connected. They are linked to each other. Let's see an example. I come from a close-knit family. We never keep secrets from one another. Yes, in close-knit families, members of the family are very close to each other. They don't hide anything from each other. They don't keep secrets. They share their happiness and sadnesses to support one another. Another word I want you to learn is to get along. It means to have good relations. Let's see an example. My parents and I get along very well. It means that we are in good relationship. Okay. For example, if two people are fighting, let's say your brother and sister are fighting, you say that they don't get along very well. Okay. But if they are in good relation, you say that they get along very well. Now, questions to discuss for you. Do you have a close-knit family, dear students? Let's think about it. Try to answer to this question. And do you get along well with your family? Why or why not? Lots of people get along really well with their families. But sometimes it happens that, especially if you are a teenager, you don't get along well with your family members. You think that they don't understand you, they don't value you. But when you grow up, you understand that it was wrong. Actually, your family always protected you, always cared about you, always tried to understand you. Just because you are a teenager, you are in the period which is hard for you, you think about it like that. But actually, your family loves you more than anybody else in the world. Let's turn to the next page in your books and learn about metaphors. There is a term metaphor used in language and literature, literary device, and let's read the definition. A metaphor is a figure of speech that compares two things. Okay? Metaphor compares two things. Like in this example, he is a lion in a battlefield. My mom is an angel. So we said that two things are compared, yes? I said that metaphors compare two things. Let's look at these sentences and see which two things were compared. So in the first sentence, a lion and he are compared to each other. So he, let's say, my brother is a lion in the battlefield. It means that he is like a lion, he is strong. And here, my mom is compared to an angel. Okay? Your mom is like an angel. Two things are compared, mom and angel. You see, it's a metaphor. My mom is an angel. Is it possible that your mom is an angel? No. You just want to say that she is kind, she is beautiful like angels, and you use this figure of speech to, to speak with more richer language. We learned what metaphor is. Now let's see what simile is. Similes are also used to compare two things like metaphors, but there is a difference. The difference is that if we use like or as when comparing two things, it is called simile. Now let's compare these examples with the previous ones. He is like a lion in a battlefield. My mom is as kind as an angel. So you see the difference. If it's metaphor, we see that he is a lion. But if it's a simile, we say he is like a lion. If you hear like or as, it's called a simile. Now we are moving to do an activity. We are given some phrases. We have to match them together to create metaphors. The first one, life is a journey. Have you heard this metaphor? Life is a journey. It's actually comparison, Life is compared to the journey because life is long, journey is long. Life is tiring, journey is tiring. Life is beautiful, journey is also beautiful. When we travel somewhere, we see colorful scenes, beautiful places, like the life. We live the life, we meet a lot of new things, new places, so there is a comparison here. The second one is about time. Time is, can you guess it? Yes, time is money. There is a saying like this, time is money. Guys, time is not money, it is just a metaphor, okay? Here we should understand, metaphors compare things. Time is money, it means that money is valuable, yes, time is also valuable. We should spend both of them wisely. We should value our time and our money. And the third one, family is a treasure. Like we said before, family is a treasure. It's very valuable, it's very precious for us, so we should feel lucky if we have a good family. Finally, I am going to give you an assignment. Here is your assignment. Write a paragraph on the following topic. See page 26. If you open your books, go to page 26, you will find this exercise there. It is commonly believed that a family should be valued as a treasure. What's your opinion? Use reasons and examples to support your answer. That's all for today. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.